very full.
I'm sitting on Sarah's luggage so she can close it. Yeah. It's our last day and we're going to go get coffee, but it's like 5 degrees, but it feels so much colder.
Wait.
Guys, Sarah's wanted a Starbucks Birch cup for so long now and she's never gotten it. So I got her one. I'm gonna see her reaction.
Sarah! This is yours.
On the way home, it's going to be a little bit different.
One eternity later.
Finally home. After what felt like the longest drive of my life. We went through like this crazy storm which made us take an extra like 2 hours onto the trip. I ended up getting car sick like 20 minutes into the drive, so I took gravel and ended up sleeping basically most of the trip, so I didn't really vlog anything. But yeah, finally back to Toronto. Got back and look at what was on my bed. My cute little roommate. Anyways, it was an awesome trip. And yeah, gonna go to bed now. Not going to class tomorrow. Still lots of homework to catch up. And yeah.